Unit 5 Calculations. Now let's begin a new chapter, Calculations. Alright. Objective: to familiarize the Excel sheet. Okay. Don't you have to solve and analyze some arithmetic problems in different situations? Definitely, right? Definitely you have come across with many arithmetic problems in different situations. Arithmetic means calculations like additions, subtraction, multiplication, division, average, percentage, etc. All calculations can be collectively called as arithmetic problems. Now, what do you do to get the total, average or percentage of your exam marks? You will write it on a paper and calculate. Or you will use a calculator, right? Yes. Then what will you do if we have to add the marks of hundreds of students? Oh my God. Yeah, the problem is very hectic, right? To calculate the marks of hundreds of students. Oh my God. No way. If there is a software to help us, what do you think? Would it be easier? Of course, yes, right? So, there are a number of spreadsheet softwares like Microsoft Excel, LibreOffice Calculator, etc. to help us in arithmetic calculations and analysis. Here, let's study Microsoft Excel software. Now, the first step is always how to open the software. So let's see the steps to open the software. First step is, yes, click the start button, select Microsoft. Then from this drop down, you can select Microsoft Excel. And it is very important to observe this icon. The icon for Microsoft Excel is this. So please learn or please identify the icons for different softwares. It's very important. The icon for Microsoft Excel is this one. All right. Okay. Now let's move on. It takes into the Microsoft Excel software window. Here, this is what is called as a spreadsheet. This is what is called as a spreadsheet. That is why we are calling it as a spreadsheet software. Here you can see this is the menu bar, and here you can see the ribbon, and here you can see the alphabets at the top, right? And also you can see the numbers at the extreme left. Moreover, you can see many boxes, number of boxes here, right? Now let's learn all these things one by one. The vertical lines with A, B, C, D, etc. are called as columns. Okay, then the horizontal lines with 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called as rows. Now you can see the box made by these lines are called as cell. So from now onwards, don't call these boxes as boxes. Instead, you have to represent these boxes as cells. And this cells is made by these columns and rows. Okay? All right. Now let's move on. There are several lakhs of cells in each spreadsheet. So obviously we need an address to identify one cell, right? Yes, there are a number or several lakhs of cells means in order to identify one cell, we need an address. For example, the address of the cell made by column A and first row is A1. And we already learned the cell is made by column and the row. So the cell made by column A and the first row is A1. The address of the cell made by column C and sixth row is C6. So I'll make it more clearer. See, here let's try some cell addresses so it will get more clear for you. So here row 3 and column B make cell address B3. Okay. Now the cell made by row 15 and column G is G. Yes, 15. Very good. Okay. Now the cell made by row 8 and column E is E. Yes, 8. Very good. All right. So this is how we represent a cell with a cell address. Okay. All right. Move on. So this is what is a spreadsheet. Here you can see this is what is a spreadsheet. And here you can see the cell selected here. Here you can see one cell is selected. Now the cell address are displayed below the home menu. Here the cell is made by column A and row 1. So what is the cell address? A1. And here you can see the cell address are displayed below the home menu. Alright? Okay. So that's all for today's class. We'll see the next features in our next session. Thank you.